I'm Karen Sutherland from Edible Eden Design, and continuing on the theme of alcohols made in November from your garden, today I'm going to talk to you about Nespolino or an amaretto tasting liqueur made from loquat seeds and vodka. In my case, I just used a vodka. So this I got from a fantastic book by Pietro Demaio, and I bought this book at Bulleen Art and Garden Centre, Preserving the Italian Way, after I attended a class by the lovely Pietro. So it's the simplest of recipes, which we won't zoom in on because it's copyright to him or to whoever he got it from. But very simply, I made a half version of this recipe. So instead of 80 loquat seeds, I used 40. I had a great crop of loquat, so I was eating them, and Anne said to me, now why don't you make some Nespolino? So 40 seeds, not peeled, so the little brown skin that is around each seed, you don't peel that. So you eat your fruit. I collected them all, and then when I had 40, which was for half a litre of alcohol, I then just gave them a good wash in some cold water so that they didn't have any fruit bits left on them, make sure they were clean. And then put them into 1 litre of vodka, or half a litre I should say. And this I bottled on the 17th of November, 2019. And the original recipe was to leave it for 30 days. However, I've left it for, well, what is it now? 3.5 months or so, because it's April, or 4.5 months. So 30 days, it's going to be fine because it's sitting in vodka. It's probably just going to have a more intense flavour. So I'm just about to strain it into my little Pyrex jug to remove the loquat seeds and discard them to the compost, and then I'll be adding equal parts of water. So to my half a litre of alcohol, I'll be adding half a litre of water and also 200 grams of sugar. And with all these alcohols and this kind of preserving, you are really better off to use just ordinary white sugar, unexciting though it seems. Let it all dissolve around and mix up. Once your Nespolino has sat for another month, it's ready to put into little bottles, put in the freezer, drink with your family and friends and neighbours, and enjoy.